Hello my creative friends, welcome back for another video. This time I think I'm gonna try a ring pour. So I've already mixed up my paints. I've got some yellow, some turquoise, some hot pink here, some apple green there, and then some white. And I've used 1 part paint, approximately 1 part paint, 3 parts Floetrol, and 2 parts glue. I haven't put any water or silicone in there. I'm just going to put, actually I didn't want to put some white, I just want to pour straight on. I don't know what I'm thinking. I got distracted. See, this is what happens when you're just talking at the same time. I meant to do to pour my cup first. Okay, let's start again. All right, let's start with blue at the bottom. I put a bit of white. And then a bit of pink. And then a bit of green. Just leave on the edge. Bit of yellow. Actually, I might put the yellow later. I'm gonna put some more blue. Some more pink. All my favorite colors in there. And then I'm gonna put this yellow. Hopefully get a bit of orange. Maybe, maybe not, we'll see. And then let's go back to the blue again. Bit of white. Bit of green. Then I think I'll finish with some pink. Okay, hopefully that's enough paint in there. And I'm just gonna go straight down. Squeeze that up and wish me luck. It's making me just hypnotized just looking at this paint coming down. Oh my goodness. I felt totally hypnotized. Get the last drop down and now. Okay. Wow. Beautiful. I can see it spreading by itself really slowly, so I'm just gonna let it do its thing and torch it in the meantime. Okay, just checking if it's still moving by itself. It is, I think, just very slowly. Also wants to go that way, but I don't want it to go too far that way, so I'm just going to put another little stick there just to make sure. Doesn't get the wrong idea. And then I'm gonna come back. I'll let it do its thing and come back in a moment. I'll just watch it in the meantime. Okay, I gave it a few minutes. I'm gonna torch it once more. And then let's get tilting. I'm going to remove that little stick. It was there to save the paint from getting away. I'm going to start to my left first. And really take my time. So you may want to fast forward this part because this could take a little while. I'm going to go really slow. But I will leave it in regular speed so you can watch it happen live if you want. Okay friends, I don't think I'm going to touch it too much more. It's been annoying having a couple of little poos here and there. It's so annoying. What can you do? That's just the way it goes. Not too obvious, thankfully. I'm going to wash my hands and I can talk a bit more. Okay, so it's pretty cool. I didn't want to stretch it too much because those fun areas that really are hypnotizing. I just made sure I removed a lot of that turquoise because a lot of it was a bit flat and it was just too much of it. So now it's a bit more balanced. I've got a bit here and a little bit down there, and then the greens and then the pinks flowing through. So I'm really loving this piece. It's really cool. Let me show you up close. Now you should see what I mean by hypnotizing. So I love that swirl here with the blue and those cool subtle cells in the center, and then those fun rings. The camera's not going blurry, it's definitely sort of a bit soft. That's what makes it even more hypnotizing, I think. What do you guys think? Do you love this? Do you hate it? Meh? Up to you. Let me know. Let me know in the comments below so I know, you know, I love interacting with you guys. And if you've enjoyed this, give me a thumbs up. That will let me know that you want to see more videos and that you've liked this. So I'll see you on the next one. Bye for now.